BATOCA Buffer Polisher Rotary Car Polisher Wax Machine, Car Detailing Kit, 7-inch 180mm/1200W, 6 variable speeds up to 3000 RPM with foam pads, wool pads for car buffers and polishers. Complete detailing kit, includes everything you need for all your polishing jobs. Also includes sandpaper accessories for paint and dust removal. Customize your grip with a loop and straight handle. Both included. The ergonomically designed and adjustable D-type handle helps to reduce fatigue and improve comfort and efficiency during long polishing sessions. ENEACRO Buffer Polisher, Rotary Car Polisher Waxer, 12 amp 7-inch/6-inch variable speed 13,500 RPM, detachable handle, perfect for boat, car polishing and home appliance. Lightweight and variable speed control, only 6.3 pounds. Lightweight, compact and portable design make it easy for carrying and storage. 6-level variable speed dial allows users to control speed from 1000 to 3500 RPM according to various tasks or materials and improve work efficiency. Light heavy checkmark high performance rotary polisher, powerful 12 amp motor produces up to 3500 RPM with low noise, powerful enough for a professional. Heat resistant copper wire motor allows long working time without burning the machine. The high performance electric car polisher helps to increase your efficiency. Avid Power Buffer Polisher, 6-inch dual-action polisher, random Orbital Car Buffer Polisher Waxer with variable speed, 3 foam pads for car polishing and waxing, AEP 127. Important, to protect the performance of the machine, Avid Power Polisher has been upgraded and designed to be constant no-load speed of 1500 per minute if speed setting is 1 and 2. The machine will keep 1500 per minute when it does not touch the surface and increase to the speed setting 1 to 2, that you have set when it touches your car. However, it will keep the real speed if speed setting is 3 to 6. Notice, make sure that the pad and backing pad are aligned firmly and securely. Otherwise the pad can vibrate excessively, which may cause loss of control, or the pad may be thrown out of the tool. JYN R Polisher, 900W 6-inch variable speed dual-action random Orbit Car Buffer Polisher with D-handle and side handle, 6400 RPM, packing bag, 5 foam disc for car polishing and waxing. Dual-action polisher, 7.5 a 900W motor provides stable speed for low noise. Come with random orbit, swirl-free polishing/sanding action, can reduce the damage of machine tracks, burn marks, holograms, which is different from normal polisher or rota. MANUSAGE 6-inch dual-action car polisher, 7 amp random orbital polisher, variable speed buffer polisher with 2 detachable handles, ideal for car detailing, polishing, waxing, sanding and sealing glaze. Dual action polisher. The 6-inch car polisher features 9mm long throw random orbit, enlarge the polishing area and speed up your detailing process. The polisher protects delicate surfaces from damage and make your car look brand new every day. Variable speed polisher. The orbital polisher has speed control system, offers 6 variable speeds that allow you to adjust speed from 2000 to 6400 RPM when you do polish.